Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have AVAX daily update. We are going to see the next price targets and some important information. If you want to, hit the like button and subscribe because it helps so much with the daily updates, and you can join our Telegram group chat. Link is in the description down below. So let's see some important things right here. First of all, thank you for watching. Secondly, let's go now to the price support levels. We are now at the 42 Tether USD. We might be dropping to 39.7 and we have one more at 37. Can we go down there easily? We will discuss everything about that. You see the next price targets 53, 55.5, around 55 Tether USD and 61 Tether USD. Next price targets for AVAX. So it looks good. It looks good. I won't lie to you guys. It looks very, very good. We will discuss why. So let's go to the RSI, the Stoch RSI, and the commodity channel index. You can see that here on the RSI, we are just keeping this pattern of higher highs and higher lows, and eventually we are keeping a very bullish pattern on the 4-hour frame. That means when we are on an impulsive wave, the RSI doesn't go down into the 30. It's very difficult on an impulsive wave for the RSI to go down the 30 into an oversold situation. Same here for the commodity channel index. It doesn't go easily down below minus 100. And therefore, when it doesn't go there, how do we know on an impulsive wave if we have a bottom? The reason is Stoch RSI. This is an indicator that tells us when we have a risk and when we have a buying opportunity. Okay, here, when we go down from the gray zone right there, we have a buying opportunity and it is sensitive to the price action. It's due to the equation that describes the stochastic RSI. But now I won't go there into the maths type. I will just tell you that it is sensitive to the price action, means that it goes quickly into an oversold situation. Okay. So therefore, as it goes quickly into an oversold situation, we look firstly the stochastic RSI. Sometimes it fails to go into an oversold, but many times it goes there when we have a correction after its target of an impulsive wave. We just cool off, then go up again. Cool off, then go up again. When we have a bottom, usually the stochastic RSI goes down from the 20. And that's how you know that you found a bottom, right here. And you can see that even we have the stochastic RSI below the 20, we have the price not going so much down. That means that the altcoin has the strength needed to go even higher. That's why I believe one of the few reasons is that I believe we will go upwards is this one reason as well. Let's see a little bit the SSL hybrid on the 4-hour frame in case we have something. On the 4-hour frame, we had a buying opportunity here and we had to short our position there according to the SSL hybrid. Now we do not have any buying opportunity levels. And let's go right now to the daily frame. Here we are on the daily frame on the trading view. We are looking forward forward to the midterm price action rather than the short term on the 4-hour frame, that is, because on the midterm, each candle right here represents 1 day of price action. For example, you can see this candle right here is the 18th August candle, this candle right here 19th, 20th, and so on. Okay, so we are looking more of the midterm price analysis. And you can see on the SSL hybrid on the midterm, we had a buying opportunity here on 6th August, but we don't have a selling opportunity yet. That is because we do not hold any significant risk right now, okay, on the daily frame. Let's go a little bit to the Bollinger Bands to see some important things. First of all, when we open the Bollinger Bands and we approach the Bollinger Bands on the first, actually when we approach the top line of the Bollinger Bands, like here for example, let me zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. Here we approach the top line of the Bollinger Bands. In a normal market, this is very risky. It usually goes with a shooting star right here, as we had it, a shooting star pattern, huge sell pressure, long upper shadow, then we went all the way down. Then from here, we went up. You can see the bullish, big bullish engulfing candle right here, and we went up. So when we approach the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands, we have a buying opportunity. But on an impulsive wave, we just ride the top line without caring if we are on the top line of the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so for now, we are not having a risk and we just ride the top line of the Bollinger Bands. You can see that on the daily frame, the stochastic RSI is in an overbought, the commodity channel index in an overbought as well, and the RSI in an overbought situation. This is not something that we should be worried. If it was a normal market, then this would be a fake, either a fake out pump up or something that we should be scared, and eventually it would just go down immediately afterwards, okay? For now, we don't have to be scared. It is very, very possible that we go a little bit down here on the daily and then manage to climb up, okay? We might be doing that. It will be healthy and you shouldn't worry at all, okay? And you shouldn't be worried at all. The stochastic RSI is in an overbought situation as well. Same for the commodity channel index. So even if we correct a little bit, nothing important for now, okay? So therefore, let's go to AVAX Bitcoin chart to see how AVAX is doing actually against Bitcoin. And what I wanted to say before, how AVAX is outperforming Bitcoin, right? Because you can see that we are going all the way upwards. We are going all the way upwards, taking it step by step. Here upwards corrected, and so on and so on. This is what happens on impulsive wave. Here the stochastic RSI is in an oversold situation too. That means on the 4-hour frame, on the short term, it is very likely that we move a little bit upwards, alright? So therefore, do not be surprised if we move upwards from here. And the RSI and the commodity channel index, you can see they keep high levels. This is what we want to see. We do not want to see the commodity channel index going all the way down or the RSI going all the way down. This will mean that we might lose some important support levels. Let's go to the daily frame to see some things right here. We use the W shape right there. You can see that we had a top and therefore a bottom again and a top. And you can see that we had a bearish RSI, bullish RSI divergence back there. We had lower lows in the price. You can see that on the daily frame, lower lows, but we had higher lows in the RSI on the daily frame, okay? So therefore, if you check it out, if I just zoom out a little bit, you will see that this one right here on 27th June, I think, I'm supposed to think, yeah, 27th June, it is a little bit lower or at the same bottom as this one right here. When we are having higher lows on the RSI, but lower lows, in the price, this means that we are going probably into a bullish RSI divergence. And so we will go upwards, okay? Let's go to the price analysis right here. You can see that I told you that most likely we might be going above. Where do we minimize the risk? The risk is minimized if we draw the line right here. You can see that we will reach and minimize the risk after we go above the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement. If we go above and close above, then yes, we minimize the risk and therefore it is okay to go in upwards. But I do believe that we might soon be able to see a pump up right here for AVAX in Tether USD. Okay, in the daily frame, we have a high risk, therefore on the midterm we might be correcting a little bit, consolidating, do not worry about that. But in overall on the 4-hour frame, because the stochastic RSI is in an oversold situation, this is a good indicator that tells us that probably we are going into a bottom where the AVAX will just go a little bit sideways and then we will pump up. Okay, this is what might happen. In case we retrace and close a little bit beyond the 42 Tether USD, you know that for the next price support level, we have the 39.5 and the 0.618, our golden ratio, the 36.9 to 37 Tether USD. So right there, you know the exact support levels to look for in order to go in again, okay, in case we close below. But it shows some strength right here. We just corrected a little bit right there, and now we just go sideways. That means, guys, that we probably might be able to go even higher. Next price targets 53.3, 55 and 61. Bitcoin right now is just correcting a little bit, as you can see right here, okay, on the 4-hour frame. This looks like an evening star pattern where we have a green candle, the red candle right here that is like a spinning star, a spinning candle, and you can see that we have the red candle right next to this one right here. So it looks like an evening. We will see about that. Do not worry about Bitcoin correction for now. Do not worry about it. Nothing important. Our next price targets for Bitcoin is 50.7, 51k Tether USD. So let's see a little bit Ethereum against Bitcoin for other altcoins as well. You can see that Ethereum against Bitcoin is going into an oversold situation with lower lows in the RSI, extreme oversold if we go even lower. And I have a support level around here, this one, 6.5. You can see the 6.5 cents. We get the price label because we divide Ethereum's price to Bitcoin's price. So you can see this price, therefore from here we might be going upwards. So this will help AVAX too, and the Bitcoin, strong Bitcoin, will help AVAX to go even quicker into the next price targets. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join the Telegram group chat. I have the link in the description down below, and hit the like button and subscribe. It helps so much with the daily updates. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.